To manage pages on Startup in Opera GX, first you need to click on the Opera logo in the top left corner of the screen, navigate to the settings, then scroll down and keep looking for the settings regarding on Startup. Then we can pick a begin fresh with the start page. That means when you open your Opera each time, it will just start with a new page. You can retain the tabs from previous sessions. So if you previously had like YouTube and Facebook opened, it will automatically open those pages back when you start Opera. You can also then display the start page first. We can go for open a specific page or set of pages. When you select that, you can then type in the pages that you want to see when you launch your Opera. You can then activate a splash screen for your Opera, keep limiters enabled after browser restarts, and ask me when Opera is started by a shortcut specifying an URL. And that is basically each and every option.